How to make landing page website on Wix. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a website on Wix.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on Wix.com. As you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. So guys, feel free to create an account on Wix.com because it's completely free and free forever. You just need to use your email address and create a suitable password. So next, you just need to click this blue button, create new site. You will be redirected to another page, Wix site creation here. Now Wix website offers us to try an AI help, but in this video we don't really need it, so just click to set up without chat. And now we need to choose what type of website do we want to create. So we need the landing page website, so just type landing page. And here you can select landing page, app landing page, product landing page, lead capture landing page, startup landing page, ebook landing page, and so on. So for this video, for this example, I will just choose this one, simply landing page, but here you can select whatever you want, whatever you need, like what kind of website exactly you want to create. Then when you are done, click this button continue. This will help Wix.com create a dashboard. You can see it's loading. The next step is that we need to create a name for website. What would you like to call your website? This will be used to customize your online experience. I'm gonna name it an example just to show you and move on. Don't really need this website. Here we need to answer this question: what are your goals for this site? This will help us match you with tools and features to fit your needs. So guys, choose whatever you want here. If you want to sell products, choose this one. If you want just to share knowledge, choose this one. Basically, I think you got it. I will skip this step. And here you can choose the apps you would like to add, give your site more functionality with Wix Business Solution. So you can choose online store to sell your products or find new products to sell. Also you can discover more apps here, like bookings, events, blog, portfolio, pricing plans, forms, chat, Instagram feed, video, music, and so on. And now we are all set. Head over to dashboard to finish this creation. So now we are back to our dashboard, and we can see that we still have 3 steps to fill in so that we can have our website. However, I'm sure every user will be able to fill in all of those. That's pretty simple. Basically, you just need to connect a custom domain here. Just put your custom domain here and click this blue button. It's pretty simple. But meanwhile, we will move straight to this point: design your website. So now we need to decide exactly how we want to design our website, either customize a template or generate a design with AI. Of course, I will choose this one because I really like to browse thousands of designs and pick one to customize. And now everything is ready. You just need to choose the template that you think is the best for you. To be honest, I really like all of those. For example, we have webinar landing page, real estate landing page, app launch here, product landing page, corporate landing page, consultant landing page, app landing page, app landing page again, product landing page. So guys, if you need a landing page for your product, you know what you need to do, or for your app, or for real estate. Just for an example, just to show you how to design your website and edit your template, I will choose this one, but you can choose another one. Just choose what you need, what type of landing page you want to create. And now we will be move on Wix website editor. Wix website editor is the best option for creating a website, because you don't need to know any of programming languages such as Python, C++, C#, or maybe Java. You just need to use a website for creating another website. I think this is the best about Wix.com, and that's why I highly recommend you to try it, to explore it maybe. And so everything is ready. Now we can move on to the most interesting part. You can edit almost everything here. Here we can select which page we are on our website. You can manage the pages here. We have homepage, about, classes, subscribe, terms and conditions, privacy policy. For some reason these pages, home, terms and condition and privacy policy, are hidden from menu. You can show them by clicking this button, show in menu, or for example you can hide it from menu. You can simply delete some of these pages. For example, this one, classes, you can easily delete this one. You can add new one by clicking this button, add page. Also on the left we have such functions as add elements, add section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, CMS. And here we see how our site is divided into several parts, from header to footer here. Also we have such sections as intro, about, classes, download app, benefits, testimonials, subscribe. So basically we deleted the classes pages here, and I think we need to delete this section, classes, easily by clicking this button, delete. You can undo or redo recent actions. Here is the buttons in top bar. For example, if you want to edit, let's say, the specific action, download app, you just need to double click on this or click this quick edit button. I will double click on this section, and now I can edit this section really easy. For example, I want to edit this text, double click on this text, and here you can type something else, maybe like download my app please. Of course you can change the style, change the fonts, font size, or maybe a color. You can move this text, you can change the size of this text. Basically, of course, you can change the background, you can change this image of this gorgeous girl. Also, you can add such elements like text, image, button, strip, decorative, box, gallery, menu and anchor, contact and forms. For example, you want to for example, you don't have here such buttons, and you need to create them, add them, choose add elements, add button. For example, maybe this one, download. Basically, just like download my app please, and here you need to add button download, choose this button download, and drag and drop it. Of course, you can change the size of this button, and also you can add section. For example, you want to add a team section here, like choose a section and drop it anywhere on the page. For example, this one, drop it, and you have it here. Basically, of course, you can edit this one really easy, as I already showed you. You can change images, you can see this button, or you can edit the images, or you can edit this text. In general, the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend trying to explore it yourself. The entire interface of the site, as you can see, it's very clear to any user. And when you're done editing this website, this template, just click this blue button, publish, to go live with your site so anyone can see it. So guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this site. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.